Welcome my friends, I'm Miroslav and today we're going to be making homemade healthy mayonnaise.
1 cup avocado oil or light flavored olive oil, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon vinegar. Making mayonnaise at home is so easy, and with an immersion blender, it only takes a minute. Once you try it, you'll never want to buy the store-bought stuff again. We often grab mayonnaise off the shelf without thinking, but whipping it up at home is so easy, you'll wonder why you ever settled for the store version. 1/2 tablespoon lemon juice. Fresh, homemade mayo tastes so much better, and you get to skip all the questionable ingredients that often sneak into the store-bought varieties. 1/4 teaspoon Dijon mustard, 1 whole egg. Stick to the stick blender. This recipe is designed specifically for a stick blender. If you try it in a regular blender or food processor, it likely won't work. Position the stick blender firmly at the bottom of the jar, covering the egg yolk. Turn it on and keep it still for 10 to 15 seconds. This step is crucial. Emulsify. As the mayonnaise starts to thicken, slowly move the blender up and down to combine all the ingredients until the oil is fully mixed in. I make this recipe almost every week and it's never failed me. But here are a few tips. Use the right jar. The jar that comes with your stick blender is the perfect size. If you use a larger or wider jar, the emulsion might not form properly. Choose good oil. Since oil is the main ingredient, go for a high quality one. I prefer avocado oil for its neutral flavor. Avoid extra virgin olive oil, which has a strong taste, or low quality industrial seed oils like canola or peanut oil. If your mayo doesn't emulsify, don't worry, you can fix it with these simple methods. Boiling water, add a tablespoon of boiling hot water and quickly blend again. The mayo might be a bit thinner, but it should emulsify properly. Extra egg yolk, blend in an extra egg yolk. This should bring the ingredients back together and give you a thicker mayonnaise. Just like that, you've got fresh mayonnaise.
I hope you enjoy cooking with me. Please click like, and if you're new to this channel, click subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.